Jake, do you ever talk to yourself in English?
All the time. I probably look like a crazy person walking around mumbling.
Oh, good. I started doing that too, but I wasn't sure if it was helping or just weird.
It's actually one of the best habits I ever picked up. You force your brain to think in English instead of translating all the time.
That's my biggest struggle. My brain still thinks in my first language, and everything feels so slow.
Totally get it. When I started, I made it a habit to do one small thing in English every day. No excuses.
Like what?
Reading one short article, listening to a podcast while I brushed my teeth, or even writing a sentence in my journal. Some days I just described my lunch out loud.
That sounds kinda doable.
Exactly. The trick is consistency, not perfection. Even 5-10 minutes a day builds fluency faster than one long session a week.
I always feel guilty if I miss a day. Then I give up for a week.
That's the all or nothing trap. Don't aim for perfect, just aim to show up, even if it's messy.
Okay, but what about speaking? I still freeze when it's a real conversation.
Then make talking a habit too. I used to talk with language partners online every week, even if I was tired. I joined English speaking groups, watched shows with subtitles, then without. I made it part of my lifestyle.
Wait, so you didn't study for hours a day?
Nope, I just build micro habits into my day. Like I'd set my phone to English, leave sticky notes on objects in my room, even sang English songs in the shower.
Okay, now that's brave.
I was terrible at first, but over time I stopped worrying about sounding perfect and started enjoying the process.
That's what I want. Not to stress, just speak naturally.
Then start today. Pick one habit. Talk to yourself, write one sentence, or message a friend in English.
Hmm. I'll record myself describing my room tonight, and tomorrow I'll message you in English.
Deal! You're building fluency faster already.
You don't need big study sessions to become fluent, just small daily habits. Make English part of your everyday life, and fluency will come faster and feel more natural.
Choose one English habit today. Talk to yourself, label things, or message a friend in English. Keep it simple, stay consistent, and watch your fluency grow every day.